guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we got a big boy job. This is a big boy job, okay? So this job pays $307,000, you guys. This job is absolutely life-changing, okay? So this job is fully remote, and I'm gonna let you guys, and it's full benefits. It is full benefits, and I'm gonna let you know right now they are willing to accept just skills and experience, you guys. That is why you need to rewrite your resume full of skills and experiences, you guys. And that is why I created the virtual resume rewrite session. Y'all go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session, because when you get the rewrite session, I'm going to teach you how to tailor your resume to apply for this job. And I have included all of my pre-written examples, skills, and experience. I have included all of that for you guys. All you have to do is copy and paste. You are going to copy all of the skills that this job requires, and I have pre-written experiences for you guys. So under the skills section, you go look under there, and you're going to find the experience of how you use those skills. This is a no pain, no work resume rewrite, you guys. And you know, I partner with PayPal. I partner with PayPal to do pay in for you guys, so you guys are able, even before you make your second payment, hopefully you grab that interview, okay? So they just posted this job 2 days ago, just 2 days ago. You guys, go rewrite your resume. Get that resume in, and like I said, you'll have a professional resume in 10 to 15 minutes so that you can apply for this wonderful job, okay? So let's do the shout outs of the day. You guys, I am so sorry. My shout outs of the day, I wrote them down, and I am on vacation and I don't have them in front of me, but it's a lot, okay? It is a lot of you guys who have gotten your job offer. And what I want you to do, and that's why I created the video that I posted earlier today. You can purchase your very first home even before you start day one of that job, okay? You guys, push forward. That is the inspiration of the day, and I'm going to keep saying that. Push forward, because one resume can start the change to change your life. Rewrite that resume so you can get your job offer, and so that you can get your home for you and your family. Like I said, this is 2023. We are doing no renting. We are not doing any evictions. We're not doing any car repos. We're not doing any loan sharks or anything like that. We are coming into abundance, and I am giving you all of the tools and the education that you need. Like I said, that virtual resume rewrite session is the best tool for you to start your life, you guys, to rewrite your life. When you are using the rewrite section, you are actually rewriting your life, you guys. And I want that for you. I want you to come into blessings all of this 2023. So I'm going to keep on pushing out content for you guys, and I am going to continue to make the virtual resume rewrite session better, okay? I want this for you. Do you want it for yourself? Okay, y'all go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resume for this job right here. It pays $306,000, and it does not require that much skill, you guys. What they're asking for the skills of a program product manager, and that is why I wrote your resumes in the virtual resume rewrite session just the way it is, because I want this for you, okay? I want it so bad. I rewrote all of your skills, your experience, your bio. I put it on a plate for you guys so that it is a no work, no pain, no thinking resume, okay, you guys, and it's professional, okay, and you're able to create that professional resume in 10 to 15 minutes. But let's get right into this job today, because this is a banger. Let's go. So Yahoo is looking for a director. They are looking for the head of their subscription department. Like I said, this job is full-time. It is fully remote, and it pays $306,000, you guys. Go rewrite your resume. Like I said, you will have a professional, no work, no pain, no thinking resume, so that you are able to put in for this life-changing job. Okay, you guys, this job is absolutely amazing, and I want this for you. This job pays over $250,000 per year. One resume, you guys, one expertly written resume with all of the skills that you need to apply for this job will change your life. This job is worth above $250,000. Let's get into it right now because it's that good. Okay, so as the director, head of subscription, this is Yahoo Finance. It says Yahoo is a global media and tech company that connects people to their passion. We reach nearly 900 million people around the world, bringing them closer to what they love, from finance and sports to shopping, gaming, and news, with the trusted products, content, and tech that fuel their day. For partners, we provide a full Slack platform for business to amplify growth and drive more meaningful connection across advertising, search, and media, you guys. So you guys are going to read the rest of that. Let's get down to what they need from you. Let's get down to this job. Let's get down to the responsibilities. They are looking for a director. So they are looking for a leader, okay? They are looking for a leader. And as a director, when you're a director, you guys have to understand that you're basically program managing or project managing, okay? So you need all of the skills that a program and project manager does. I've included that for you, pain-free, you guys. This is pain-free. I included that for you in the virtual resume rewrite session, where I listed all of the skills of a program manager, all of the experience that program managers do. Everything that they do on a day-to-day basis is included within the virtual resume rewrite session. Go get it so that you can put it on there for this job. And the ultimate goal, you guys, the ultimate goal is to purchase your house, okay? Purchase your house for your family. Purchase your car for your family. Start gaining generational wealth. That is the whole purpose for this channel. That's the whole purpose for you rewriting your resume. But let's get into the responsibilities right now. By saying they do have a location preference. The location preference is New York City or Mountain View. It says plus the nearby areas, hybrid work environment. You guys, so they have a location preference, but most of the times when they do have these location preference, and it says Mountain View. So most of the times when they have this, it's a preference and not a requirement, you guys. If your resume is good enough, and if you show the skill that you have, most of the time they really don't care unless they're like a hard, a super hard company, like hard on the preference company or strict company. But most of the times they will take a candidate from anywhere that has the skills and experience. And that's why I'm telling you guys, education and all that stuff really does not matter. What does matter, and why I created the virtual resume rewrite session, is what does matter is your skills and experience. And I made the virtual resume rewrite session with impactful and dynamic skills and experience, because I want the hiring managers to look at your resume and say, oh, this the girl or this the guy. We don't care where they at or what they do. Bring them here. I want you to be irresistible. And that's why I made the virtual resume rewrite session irresistible to hiring managers, okay? I've included all of your skills, experience, everything. But let's get down to the responsibilities for this job. It says lead and manage the subscription business for Yahoo Finance by leveraging market insights to create premium offerings that deliver on Yahoo's finance brand promise. Identify and prioritize growth opportunities by analyzing data, subscriber feedback, and market trends to inform decision making and optimize optimize performance, guide customer acquisitions and lifecycle management via pricing, positioning, and plan configurations, then lead acquisition, retention, upsell, and win-back campaigns. Collaborate with product teams to develop premium first-party subscription features, monitor metrics, and analyze customer acquisition, upsell, and retention trends in order to make recommendations. Manage budgets and resources effectively to ensure maximum return on investment, and complete cost and benefit analysis for potential deals and revenue streams, and report on subscription business to executives while working closely with leadership to ensure that subscription efforts align with business, product, and brand strategies. You guys, what they're asking you to do, and that's why I say you need the virtual resume rewrite session. What they're asking you to do is have the skills of a project manager. So you are going to manage their program. You guys are going to analyze their budget. You're going to analyze the data. That's what they're asking you to do in the responsibilities. And in the responsibilities, that once you look at the responsibilities and what they're asking you to do, go and get the virtual resume rewrite session, because under every one of those responsibilities, there is going to be experiences to match them, to put on your resume, to incorporate within your resume. Y'all go get it, because that is going, well, I cannot say it any further, you guys. That is going to make your resume stand out to the hiring manager, because you're giving them everything that they say they need, okay? And it says a lot about you. Let's go down to that. You will have the opportunity to lead and grow the subscription business and the recurring revenue it generates for Yahoo Finance. You have a trifecta, a proven experience as a growth marketer, product marketer, and product manager for freemium SaaS offerings. You will be a hands-on leader expanding our premium subscription offerings, which is core to Yahoo Finance overall business strategy. If you're a market leader who likes to be the engine room running a business and driving subscriber growth, and if you are passionate about enabling everyday investors can achieve financial prosperity through confident decision making, this role is for you. Now let's go to what they're looking for. It says growth marketing. Proven ability to effectively partner and drive marketing activities, ideally with a fast-growing freemium SaaS consumer business. Testing and optimization. A successful track record in utilizing test and learn to determine new channels for digital acquisition. Monetization. Experience with multiple monetization models at scale, including B2C, advertising sponsorship, and B2B2C. Analytical ability. Excellent problem solving skills and analytical skills, able to break down open-ended problems and move forward in the face of ambiguity. Communication. Strong written and oral communicational skills in order to work effectively with product design, engineer, marketing, and cross-functional teams. So this is what they're looking for, you guys. These are all the skills that they are looking for. And all of those skills are included in the virtual resume rewrite session that I rewrite for you guys. I cannot say it enough. Those skills are already included within the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. Okay, preferred qualifications. Let's get into that. All right, you guys, now let's get down into preferred qualifications. It says leadership, okay? Leadership is one of their preferred qualifications. It says experience executing projects and partnering with cross-functional teams to drive high-quality results, strong executive communication and organizational skills, product marketing, background in creating customer-facing products, strong product sense with the ability to articulate pragmatic solutions that address users' needs, technical understanding, past product development experience to know what it takes to build websites and cloud-based software application, entrepreneurial spirit, passion for consumer technology and retail financial services, particularly for market data and personal investing. And it says MBA, strongly preferred, with 10 years experience in driving subscriptions, preferably freemium SaaS, fintech or SaaS offerings for solopreneurs and SMBs with fewer than 10 employees. Equivalent combination of education and experience considered. Okay, so it says equivalent combination of education and experience considered. Let me say that again. Equivalent combination of education and experience considered. Because a lot of you guys get on my videos and say, no, they're asking for education. No, they are not. So they're not asking for an MBA. Well, they prefer it. They're not asking specifically for a MBA. They're asking you to have equivalent combination of any type of education and experience, you guys. So keyword, experience. That's why you need the virtual resume rewrite session, to give you guys the experience, to give you guys all of what you're supposed to say to them, you guys. I have pre-written it for you guys. So all you have to do is go under the skill that they are asking for and use that experience to incorporate in your resume. You will have a professionally written resume in under 10 to 15 minutes, and I put it in pay in for you guys. I did that for you because I want this for you. I want you to have a $300,000. I want you to have a $3,000 salary. I'm putting this out there. I'm giving you guys all the tools and all the information. I want you to have a big house. I want you guys to have a Range Rover. I want you guys to look like you want to look. I want this for you guys, and I'm giving you the tools that you need. Go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session. Get to work on this job, you guys. Get to work on this job. You guys have a great rest of your day. Spend some time doing your resume, rewriting your resume for this and any of the other positions that I post on my channel, you guys, because these are good positions. I'm bringing everything to you guys. I'm bringing the position to you guys. I'm bringing the resume to you guys. Utilize it. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you're going to have a professional resume, you guys. A professional resume in 10 to 15 minutes to send to them. Y'all go get this job. You guys have a blessed, wonderful, amazing day. Pour into others, but more importantly, pour into you. Pour into you, okay? Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Like and follow for more. Bye.